Welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see a topic in Snowflake, that is what are the actions we are going to take during the resource monitor. Okay, already I explained about resource monitor. That means we are going to continuously monitor the resource, that is Snowflake credit, how much we have used and how much still remains, so that we can use the virtual warehouse effectively. Okay, in order to optimize the usage of the Snowflake credits, we have to use this resource monitor. We have to turn it on the resource monitor, and then only we can take the appropriate actions. What all the actions we can take is notify and suspend immediately, and only notify. I've already told that we will have some specific threshold as a percentage of credit quota. That means, for example, we are having around 500 Snowflake credits. Means if we have used, or if we have exhausted around 400, means then a notification have to be sent to the concerned users. That means concerned account admins. Then they will start using the warehouse in an effective way. That means they know how much the Snowflake credits left, how much Snowflake credit left in their account. Okay, so that they can start using their warehouses and other resources like cloud services, etc., in an effective manner, so that they can use within that limit. Okay, there are three actions we can take. And notify and suspend. That means sending a notifications to the account admins and suspend all assigned warehouses after all statements being done by the warehouse. That means we might have executed some queries, and it will wait until the queries is getting completed. After that, it will suspend. Okay, that is one thing. Query is running, and it may take time, so it may exceed the Snowflake credit also. For example, 100, 110%, it may exceed the Snowflake rate also. So no need to worry about that. It will execute the query, and after that, it will suspend the warehouse. That is one way of action. Another action is notify and suspend immediately. That means when it reaches the threshold, it suspend all warehouse immediately. That means it reaches the limit, it will suspend it immediately by canceling all the statements being executed by the warehouse at that time. We have executed one query and we are waiting for a long time, but unfortunately the Snowflake credit is getting exhausted and nearing to this limit. For example, 500 Snowflake credits we are having in our account, means it is coming, it has used, it has exhausted around 490 Snowflake credits, means then it will notify and cancel all the queries, and it will suspend immediately. The warehouse will be in suspended mode. Another action is we can notify alert notification to the all administration, all administrators, saying that you have reached near to the threshold limit, or you have reached like that. Whatever with the appropriate message we can send. It is around 50% or 90%, whatever with the thing. So sending only the notifications. Nothing will be done. Okay. These are all the three actions we can take. And normally the first one, notify and suspend, will always be the good one. Okay. So we will see some more topics in the next video. Thanks. Bye. We'll see more.